Hey guys, this is Zahra's room tour. So first off, as soon as you enter, the first thing you see is this big massive sticker that I bought for £1 on Amazon. I think it was 99p or £1 something. But yeah, it's so pretty. It's a girl on the bicycle. It's very girly. And then here is her nappy section. I normally don't put her boxes of nappies there actually. I actually forgot to put it in the closet, but you can say that's okay. So yeah, there's her wipes, and there's the pampers. And then here, I actually bought this mirror for myself, but it just wasn't looking right in my bedroom. So this is Zahra's mirror. It's beautiful, and it matches her room. And then next, this is Zahra's drawer. I bought this before she was born, but you know how IKEA is, it's a bit ruined now. Because when I moved house, I don't know what happened to it, just because you see this doesn't even close. So this section here is Zahra's little baby stuff, so her baby powder. I've actually never used this before. I bought it before she was born as well. Never used it before. Got her olive oils that my mum bought when she was just born. Got some Aveeno. I love Aveeno. It's amazing for kids. And here we have shampoo. She hasn't used it. Shampoo, she hasn't used it either. And here is a little scan. So this was my first ever scan when I was 3 months. I was 12 weeks, and I got it done at Queen Mary's in Sidcup. That's when I was still living in Bexley Heath. And then here's another scan. This was the last scan I actually had. It was a growth scan because my midwife said that my stomach was too small, so they did like an emergency growth scan that week. And my baby was actually very big. It's because I'm a small girl, so because she was born at £8, can you imagine? Little old me. And this is other scans of my princess. So this lamp, I bought it way before I was even pregnant. I used to have it in my bedroom. It came with 2 of them, but one of them smashed, so I threw that in the bin. So I thought this would look really cute in Zahra's room because it's black, and you know Zahra's got all white, so I just wanted something that would stand out, and I didn't want to get her something pink. So that's that. And then here I put her car seat. I just don't have anywhere else to put it, that's why it's there. More decor. This is wonky, by the way, I just realized. So this is actually a shower curtain because I tried to drill holes, but it wasn't working out. Oops, blurry. But yeah, it wasn't working out, so I decided to buy one of these rogues that don't need drilling. So this section, this is actually my favorite section that I love about Zahra's room. It's got a very big window with a lot of light coming through. I got these curtains from Wilko, which are beautiful. It was a bargain actually. I paid 15 quid. They were on sale. So instead of paying 40, I paid £15. And these are some of my baby shower cards. And these are her little shoe collections. All of these shoes, like these are the first ever pair of shoes. I mentioned this in one of my vlogs before. This is the first ever pair of shoes that I bought for her from Next. Yeah, I was gonna say New, but I bought them from Next. And then yeah, she hasn't worn these yet. These are too big. This is a size 9, and she's between a 7 and 8 right now. So these are her little shoe collections. And now the bed. Guys, this bed, honestly, I even have to take a picture. But yeah, this bed, I bought it from Babies. Is it Babies R Us? No, sorry, Online for Baby. So it's a discount store for baby stuff. It's actually a friend of mine who told me about that website. I'm so glad. I bought this for £170 instead of paying £330. So yeah, it's really, really beautiful bed. Just look at it, honestly. And on top of that, it's a cot bed. So it's stylish, it's a cot bed, so it's gonna fit her until she's 5 years old. Yes guys, I said it, 5 years old. I got this bedding from Mother Care. It was, I think, £50 for everything instead of paying 100 and something. So that was another bargain. And it came with a bumper as well, which is not on here anymore because yeah, she's a big girl now. And yeah, I still have this. She used to love this when she was born. I'll try to put a picture. Yeah, she used to love these little things. It sings. So yeah, this is her bed. This bed just makes me happy. And there is Zahra's stickers. These were the first stickers I actually bought for her room. I bought it from Amazon as well. It must have been 99p. Yeah, Zahra teddy bear. So yeah, she loves that sticker. And this rug I bought from Amazon. I bought it last year and it's amazing. It was actually quite cheap. It was about 15 or 16 pounds from Amazon. And this is her walker, which I'm actually going to. So this is her walker. I bought it from Argos for about £70 and it did its job. You know, she used to love it, but I am going to sell it because we're about to move in. I don't want to, I'm someone who hates junk, so I don't want to move around with a lot of stuff. So yeah, but it's really pretty. And then you have this space over here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the high ceilings and the spotlights. Just beautiful in her bedroom. So yeah, this over here, it's got a lot of junk in, so I'm not going to open it. It's basically where the boiler is. It's not a boiler actually, because this is electric. I don't know, is it a boiler? It's like a little electric thing that, you know, turns on the hot water and stuff and the heating. But yeah, it's quite safe. It's not gas or anything like that. But yeah guys, this is Zahra's little room tour. I hope it was clear enough, because I can see my phone keeps going, I mean, not the phone, the camera keeps going blurry. It's her little bedroom. She has stayed in here since we moved here when she was about 8 months old, and she has grown in this room. She's about to be 2 now, and yeah, I just love it. I think it's a great room for a little child, and if we were staying in this house for like a long time, she would have grown with it. I would have been able to redesign it and put like a double bed, so it's quite practical. I think it's a beautiful room. And yeah, I like how I designed it. It's very girly, but it's not too much. So girly, but not too much. So yeah. Yeah, cuddle darling, mommy's coming. So yeah guys, that is Zahra's room tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been wanting to do this for the longest, but I've just been lazy to do it. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. As my princess always say, bye. Bye. Blow kiss. Bye guys.